Hi everyone and Mabuhay! Welcome back to another video, and for today's video, we are going to be doing a studio vlog. I'll be taking you guys throughout a bunch of weeks that I have compiled in this one video, and I do hope that you enjoy. I do like to start my weeks with planning and cleaning. It just helps me keep a clearer mind. And my workspace has been getting kind of messy, so I really had to do it. Everyone thinks that the small business life is so glamorous. We see all these artists posting studio vlogs. On TikTok, we also see small businesses having multiple orders. But then you slowly realize that it's not that easy. There will be days where you're stagnant, where your orders are just non-existent at all, no matter how many times you promote it, and that's okay. Sometimes we just need to get a few things wrong just to get one right, but I believe that we should just keep working harder and doing our best every day, no matter how many mistakes we make.
Big circle, small circle. Stretchy. Say yellow. I like yellow.
Packaging is one of my least favorite activities because I get so attached to the things that I make. But seeing my clients' faces and reactions once they get what they asked for is priceless.
Clean, clean, clean. Bye-bye. I will miss you. You will be happy at your new home.
Hi guys, meet Nelly. She is a crocheted narwhal. Fun fact, I didn't actually make her. Someone else gave it to me. And today we are washing her because she's getting filthy. So this is just an experiment. I didn't follow anything. Well, I did, but it's just based off clothes. I've never seen like big amigurumi plushies washed. So this is something new to me. Tell me in the comments down below if you want like a tutorial video because it worked pretty well. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it even though it's just a short one. Some of these clips are actually previews of some future videos, so I hope I get them done soon. Yeah, that is it. And don't forget to always create with a smile. Bye guys, and I will see you in the next one.